Well, there's somebody there on a little trimaran. There are two vessels that operate on this particular route of the river. That river, ladies and gentlemen, is the Thames. And the ferry is free. Good Lord above. And it's almost already there. We only left 3 minutes ago, or 4 minutes ago. How about that? Let me see if I can help you out. What's that say? Tate. Oh, look at that. There's the... That's all like Canary Wharf. Come on, some of you must know this. Well, that is facing west. So behind us is east. To north is to the right, south is to the left. Remember that, Lisa? Yeah, I mean, who knows?